Hello and very good evening to all of you. So friends, as you all are aware that we have recently started daily quiz for Nabard Grade A examination. And I know you all of you must be solving that quiz and solving very nicely. Here we are upgrading a little bit in that segment in the sense that from now onwards, you will get a video explanation for the quiz that are being posted in your group. So this is the first video in that segment. I will be dealing with the questions that were posted yesterday or the day before yesterday. Three questions were posted, all the questions that we are going to discuss here. One more announcement is that we have started a mentorship program for Nabard Grade A that will start from 15th of May. Okay, if you want, you can join that program also. There, you will get PDF of all the lectures, all the videos, as well as study materials regarding all your ESI, agriculture topics, both for both prelims and mains. Okay, coming to this video. This question talks about Shompen tribe in Nicobar Island that had first time casted their vote in a general election. Okay, so India is a democracy, in fact, the largest democracy in the world in terms of number of people who cast their votes. So here, in a democracy, a particular community has never casted their vote, and this is the first time they are casting their vote. So this is a very important development. So the question here says that which commission first recommended the creation of subcategory that is PVTG. PVTG means particularly vulnerable tribal groups within the tribal population. Okay, this commission had recommended that all the tribal groups in our country are not equal. There are some tribal groups which are very primitive and their population is either declining or they are stagnant, which means that they are on the verge of extinction. Okay. Also, they are using primitive methods of agriculture. There is lack of education infrastructure in their areas. Okay. So all the tribal population, all the scheduled tribes should not be treated equally. There should be positive discrimination in favor of those, especially the backward tribes. Okay. So therefore, it recommended that within the tribal group, there should be a different group that they called particularly vulnerable tribal groups. So question asks about which commission first recommended this categorization. So the correct answer for this question is you must have solved. That is Nabard Commission. That commission was established in 1960s. Okay. So this is the way the questions will be asked in your examination. So this is a current event, but the question has been asked from the static portion. The current event has been linked with the static. See, PVTG or development of socioeconomic development of tribal population is part of your syllabus. You can look here. This is the syllabus of your economic and social issues. Here you can find here that the problems of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, socioeconomic programs for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward classes. Positive discrimination in favor of the underprivileged. Okay, all these are part of your syllabus. So directly questions will not appear, but indirectly from the current affair, linked with the current affair, questions appear in your examination. So the correct answer for this question is Nabard Commission. Apart from Shompen tribe, there are other PVTGs in Andaman and Nicobar Island. They are Great Andamanis, Jarawa, Ong, and Sentinels. Okay, there are total 5 tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar, and all have been classified as PVTGs. Okay, total how many PVTGs are there in India? Total 75 are there. This is an important figure. You must remember this also. Okay, total tribal groups in India, that is 705. Okay, that is not that important, but it resonates. Just put a 0 here, no? 705 and 75. Okay, you can remember both. Okay. Coming to the next question. Yeah, this question is simple. Match the following regarding date and the event. World Health Day is observed on, I think, World Health Day is on 7th April. Earth Day, all of us are aware, 22nd April. National Panchayati Raj Day, 24th April. Ayushman Bharat Day, 30th April. World Press Freedom Day, 3rd May. See, all are from your, these all days resonates from your syllabus. Okay. See, Ayushman Bharat is a flagship scheme of India, and health improvement or health sector is part of your syllabus. Panchayati Raj has been explicitly mentioned in your syllabus, so we are going to study everything about Panchayati Raj. Because the Panchayati Raj Divas was celebrated recently, so therefore I have only asked you date. But slowly, in future, we will study everything about Panchayati Raj. Earth Day, economic, environment and ecology is part of your syllabus. Health is part of your syllabus. Okay. So all these dates are very important to remember. The correct answer for this is C. Okay. There's one more method to solve this question. That is, if you're not sure about all the dates, just find out the day about which you are 100% sure. For example, most of us must be sure about Earth Day. That is on 22nd April. Now look into the option, match this only, okay, where B matches with 1. So there are only 2 options here, C and E. So you can see here that just matching 1 out of these 5, you have eliminated 3 options. A has been eliminated, B has been eliminated, and D has been eliminated. So your chances of giving correct answer here is 50%. Earlier it was only just 20%. Okay, just by matching only 1, your chances have increased to 50%. So like this, you can solve these kind of match the following questions. Okay, next question. So this question, I think all of you must have solved. This was posted day before yesterday. And this question is about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, a flagship scheme of Government of India, under which Prime Minister specifically transfers 6,000 rupees per year to the farmers. This 6,000 is transferred in 3 installments of 2,000 rupees each. Okay, and this is a 100% centrally funded scheme. That is why it is called central sector scheme. Okay, all the schemes which are 100% funded by Government of India, they are called central sector schemes. Okay, so this is a very important scheme. Yeah, it keeps on appearing in all the examinations. And this question is a mains question. You will face these kind of question in Nabard phase 2 or Nabard mains examination. There will be a paragraph, and within the paragraph, you will find fill in the blanks. Here, for example, I had given you 3 fill in the blanks, A, B, and C. Each fill in the blanks will carry 2 marks, and so the total question, total marks for one question is 6 marks. Okay, this is, and all these questions will be from your, not all, most of the questions will be from the important topics. Okay, flagship schemes or very important current event that has recently taken place. When we talk about economic and social issues, from agriculture part, they will be from the static part. Okay, from economic and social issues, as well as the rural development issues, they will be from either current affair or from very important flagship scheme of the government. Okay, so this is a very important schemes, although this is not a very recent scheme. It was launched in 2019 only, almost 5 years back, but this scheme keeps on appearing in news. Okay, in every 3 to 4 months, you will find a news from that Prime Minister had transferred 2,000 rupees to the farmers, like that. So in such type of questions, from such type of topics, you will find questions anytime in your examination at any difficulty. So this is a difficult question because here I have not asked you usual things that are usually asked, like your, like with the amount that is transferred per installment, how much amount is transferred, who are eligible. But I had asked you the launch date. That is very important. Here, 24th February 2019 is the launch date. Why launch date is important? Because it was launched by Prime Minister. Okay. Any scheme that is launched by Prime Minister, the launch date becomes important, especially those schemes which are launched on 15th August from the Red Fort. Okay. Those schemes become, or on the Gandhi Jayanti, okay, 2nd October, okay, all those schemes, and the launch date becomes very important. Here also, because it is a flagship scheme, so here also launch date is important. Apart from that, there was one more fill in the blanks that asks you about the time period of the third installment. Okay, the scheme says that 6,000 will be transferred in 3 installments of 2,000 rupees each. The date or time period for the first has been mentioned here. Time period for second has been mentioned here, and time period of third has been asked here. Okay. You can easily guess the third time period from the paragraph itself. The installments are released taking care of seasonal needs of the farmers. Okay, in following batches. What do you mean by seasonal needs? There are 3 farming seasons or cropping seasons in our country mainly. That is Kharif, Rabi, and summer. Okay, Kharif is from, I think, June, July to November, December. Okay. Rabi is from end of November or first fortnight of December to April. And summer is from April to June. Okay. Based on that, in all the different seasons, farmers may feel the need of some financial help. So based on that only, these 3 batches has been formulated. The first batch deals with December to March, that is completely dealing with the Kharif. Second batch dealing with April to July, that is completely dealing with summer and partially dealing with Kharif. Okay, so the third segment must be dealing partially with the completely with the Kharif, that is from 1st August to 30th November. This is dealing with the Kharif season. Okay, so this can easily be guessed. So this is about all the questions that I had asked you. All these schemes, I had told you in the previous video that you should focus more on current affairs, okay, and less on the static portion. If you have not watched that video, you can watch that video also. That was an analysis of the previous year's questions of Nabard. Slowly, everything is moving towards current affair portion also only. Only important topics that are mentioned in the syllabus, important schemes and the recently launched scheme, that only you should study in detail. Okay, just follow this rule of 80-20, 80% on current affairs, 20% on static. Okay, keep on following this, and this is the ratio in which the questions are asked in your examination also. So that's all about this video. You can join our mentorship program also, that will start from 15th of May. There you will get the PDF of these videos also, as well as the static portion PDF, as well as the doubt clearing session will also be held here. Course fee is 750. You can call on this number, Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can mail here also. Okay, detailed information is available in our group. You can join the group also from the link in the description box. So friends, that's all from my side. I hope that this video was helpful for you. And regularly we will be posting videos based on the questions that are being posted in your group. So all the best to all of you. I'm ending this video now.